First thing you need to do is to deflate the air mattress, then unplug the air mattress. The next thing you need to do is to press these two clips and simultaneously turn the pump itself counterclockwise. So press these two clips in and turn the pump using your other hand, and now pull it out. And that's how you remove the pump. To install the pump, you have two slots, one here, this, and this have to match up with the slots. Install the pump. Make sure both sides match up with the slots. Push the pump in and turn it clockwise. And that's how you install the pump.